What's up, YouTube? Today we're replacing the fuel pump on the side of a 1979 2.3 liter Ford 4-cylinder engine block. It's pretty similar to small blocks and big blocks. This uses a cam design to drive the pump rather than a rod and a cam. So all you're doing is sliding the replacement pump into that hole. Now you'll notice if you try and put it in there and the cam's in the right position, you're not going to be able to get it in there. So you have to put the vehicle in gear and then rotate the motor, or if you have a starter hooked up, turn the key and rotate that motor until that cam is in the high position, and then you can slide the arm underneath it. It's still a really tight fit, but at least you can get the bolt holes in there. So I've cleaned up the surfaces with rubbing alcohol, get the oil and grease off there, and now I'm going to use some Ultra Blue RTV silicone gasket maker, a real light coat along with the actual gasket. And then I've got two metric 8 by 1.25 inch long bolts with crush washers. And that's it. Follow along. Now both the bolts are cinched in, the gasket seems to be centered, so we'll tighten it down and then we'll reference our torque specs in the Haynes manual. So while holding the pump securely against the block, install the retaining bolts. On a 6-cylinder engine, torque the bolts from 12 to 15, and then on V8 20 to 24. So I'm going to do 12 to 15 since it does not specify for the inline 4. Let's go to the end of the chapter and see if it has overall torque specs. Fuel systems, and it does not. and no torque specs at the beginning either. Okay, so then we will torque to 12 to 15 foot-pounds. Settled on 14 pounds, and we'll tighten these, alternating bit by bit, and that's 15 pounds, and that's 15 pounds. And that's it, YouTube. So this is for input, this is for output, and then I believe this is a return valve to the gas tank. I'm not going to be utilizing that, but I'll make sure that's what it is, and then I'll cap it off. But this will go to the carb, and this will go to the fuel tank. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I couldn't find any videos about this, so hopefully it helps somebody. Stay tuned for more videos. I try and put one up every week. It's pretty windy outside, my apologies right now. And go ahead and like and subscribe.